Find the annual percentage yield for an investment that earns 8% per year, compounded monthly. The annual percentage yield is also known as the actual percentage yield. The 8% in question is known as the annual percentage rate, which is the nominal rate by name only. It does not take into consideration of the compound interest and how often it is. This is a compound interest problem, so we will use the function or the formula. This is the amount at any time t equals the present or the principal times the quantity 1 plus r over n raised to the power nt, where n times t has to be in the exponent. The annual percentage yield is the yield after 1 year, and so this is t equals 1. The principal can be any amount, but usually for this type of problems, when the principal or the present value is not given, we simply use 1. We want to see what this $1 will turn to. We can use $100 or any amount, but it is more convenient to use just simply 1 unit. Think of it as 1, 100, 1,000, and so on. Open the parentheses, 1 plus. The R is the nominal rate and it has to be in decimal. 8% is 8 over 100, which is 0.08. And so this is 0.08. N is the number of times the interest is compounding. In this case, monthly, so it is 12 a year. And N is again 12. T in this case is only 1 because this is the annual percentage yield, the yield after 1 year. Plug this into a calculator. We will see that this is 1.083. Usually, this is money. We round it to 2 decimal places, but for this problem, we should keep more than 2 decimal places. This is in fact 1.0829995 and so on, and so we will round it to 3 decimal places. Now, we invested $1 at the beginning of the year, and we turned that $1 to $1.083. Now, if we were to invest $100, we would turn that into $108.30. In terms of the actual yield, we actually earned 8.3%, which is 0.083 in interest, and then we add the initial $1, and that's how the ending balance is 1.083. And so the annual percentage rate, which is the nominal rate, is 8%, but the actual annual percentage yield is 8.3%, and that is because the interest is compounded monthly. The interest earns the interest earns the interest.